Hi, welcome to Complete Auto Reports, and thank you for completing your registration. I'm going to give you a brief overview on how you can get started using our platform right away. So when you log in, this is going to be your dashboard. If you do not see training videos on the right-hand side, you can easily get training videos from any page on the platform by going to Welcome to Your Name at the top right, clicking down, and pressing Training Video. Clicking this will enable or disable the training videos. You can see it now removed itself. Clicking it again will bring it back. Training videos are available everywhere on our platform to help you get acclimated to car and start making the most out of your auto service business immediately. I'm going to briefly explain the dashboard and get into how to make a service request for yourself, which is the easiest way to understand how our platform works. So from the dashboard page on the top, you have our menu bar that has icons. Here you can access text messaging, workflow, advanced service history, calendar, book an appointment, create a quick service request, reach out to live support, notifications. Clicking live support will open up a window where you can reach out and we can help you with issues from the platform. On the left-hand side, you'll see the car menu. You can collapse this menu by clicking the left arrow or opening it, and pressing the slider will enable you to drag and drop to put things in the order that best suits you at your service facility. These tiles represent different statuses within the service request list. Clicking on them will bring you to a service request page. However, the fastest way to truly get started with car is by utilizing our Quick SR sequence. So clicking the Quick SR icon here or in the top menu here will immediately bring you to a service request page that you can work backwards to fill out. From here, you can start to take down notes with the customer as you are on the phone. Clicking away will automatically save. You can also add a customer name and a vehicle should you need to, or you can simply save, close, or back out, and all this information will be saved for you. To find this again, from the dashboard, you can click on the top left tile, which says Total Requests. These are the number of requests for this month. Clicking on that brings you to the service request list. Here you have the quick service request that we created with no particular customer in mind. Accessing it, you would press Action on the right-hand side and go to Fill Recommendation. This now brings you back to the Fill Recommendation page where we can input all the information relative to the customer and the vehicle and get started building an invoice for them immediately. So we highly recommend that you input your information here so that you can learn how car interacts with your clients, understanding how to make the best use of our digital platform to save you time, effort, and energy. So clicking on the customer name, you have two circular arrows. Pressing those gives you the ability to search for an existing customer or add a new one. From there, you'll also be able to select a vehicle or add one from that sequence. If you only want to put in vehicle information, you can click the two round arrows and it will assign or add a vehicle to a walk-in customer. So the flexibility of the system allowing you to input just as much information as you want to or don't want to. Once completed, you can now add a job. Let's say this customer is here for an oil change. So now we have a quick service request created. We have not selected a customer. We have not selected a vehicle. We've taken some notes down. We've added an oil change, and now we have the ability to add parts, generic jobs, labor, computer codes, description of work, notes, images, and videos. And we can save, close, or send this to our client if we had one mentioned here, or we can print this out, complete it, and not add any client or vehicle information. This is the fastest way to get started with car. If you're looking for more information on the service request fill recommendation page, please use the training video and click on Fill Recommendation. Thank you for watching and have a great day.